Hey, did you know that there are YouTube instruction guides to use plastic bottles to make bird houses? You heard me right. Hey, that gives me an idea. I bet if you spread word to everyone to join forces in finding any plastic bottles in the recycling bin and that you find in the ocean, dare I say it, you could attract birds you need to your garden, which is what you need in the first place. And that's where all that, remember the birds? Well, there are birds that can eat unwanted insects in your garden, but as well as the beneficial ones, because you need to balance each side. There are good insects and bad insects. So I bet with birds, you can keep down the bad insects and also attract the good ones. Those are called beneficial insects, but we'll get to that as soon as possible. At any event, the reason why you should attract every species of Native American bird to your garden is because no pest insect will be able to move 5 inches without risk of being eaten. And here's the best part. You won't have to worry about getting insecticide anymore. That's right. In fact, why don't you go out? Hey, if anybody sees this video, remember, I'm the one who came up with this idea.